Good evening everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a little video, a before video of my bedroom. I'm in the living room right now because I need to be really quiet once I get to my bedroom because my dad is sleeping and my Anakin is showing really nice. Oh well. But I'm gonna have to be really quiet, so I might whisper. I will try to whisper close to the microphone so you can actually hear me. But I cannot make any promises at this point. So yeah, let's go. I did in fact try to clean, but it didn't really work out as successfully. You can see there used to be painting here. It's just really bad. That's a cord for the light, by the way. It's really bad, but at least it works. It's very messy right now. There's just no room at this point. The ugly closets with this seriously ugly hanging lamp. So this headboard, this comes with my bed, but these closets, all of these, I did not buy. This was a gift from my dad for my birthday. Don't really know why, but okay. This is also my dad's, it's not mine. And this is the bookcase that I told you guys about in my bedroom. It's completely full. Well, this is my cat's ashes that died a couple of years ago. So yeah, there's a lot of books here as well. Again, they are layered like in front of each other. So behind this row of books, there's another row behind it. So this bookcase I also got from my dad. This I bought myself. And here's the dryer that I guys told you about, which is why I had to move all of the stuff this way, because of the fact that the dryer is going to be taken out tomorrow. So yeah, it's pretty old stuff. So the only thing that I really brought when I came to live here was this closet right here. This one, it's drawers and the bed. And yeah, I actually have my laundry basket as a nightstand at the moment, just to have that done. If I turn the lights on, that's a light, and yeah, changes colors. So that's pretty. This is the very ugly flooring, a red carpet along with red curtains, accompanied by yellow. You cannot see it right now, but the yellow, whatever you would call these. So that's basically that. And yeah, it's just stuck full of stuff. All of that is still my dad's. All of those boxes. None of that is mine. So I will be throwing a lot away, and I will be changing a lot, as you can see. Most of it is going. The bookcase might stay. I haven't decided yet, because it was supposed to stay. but since I have to go with white because it's just a lot cheaper, I may have to get rid of it because I don't have anything to paint it with, and it's just very old as well. So yeah, I hope you like this video. This is part 1 of my room renovation, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.